To remove people from photos on the OPPO Reno 15, we have to go to the Photos app. Then we're going to open the photo from which we want to remove people. We're going to use this pen icon at the bottom of the screen. Now go to the AI editor and use the AI eraser. If you go over here, you can tap on Remove People. Wait a couple of seconds to let the phone detect all people that you probably want to remove. And if everyone is actually selected, then you should be able to tap on Remove All over here. You can also tap on a group of people that you actually want to get rid of, so that only some people are removed instead of everyone. If someone is left, you can still tap on that person, for example, use the Remove All button instead, as it was detected before. And that's pretty much it. So now we can use Done in the bottom right corner and save our photo. That's pretty much it. Now we can see before and after. Leave a like and subscribe.